Hey, what is going on, guys? Lone Star here. Hope you're having a great day so far. Today we're playing some American Truck Simulator. We're going to be starting a series here. I already completed the tutorial load. So we got to get our loads from the quick job in the freight market. And see here. Man, we need some money. We're not going to try. I'm trying not to take any loans out. I prefer not to do that. We got a $5,000 load here. That'll put us at about $7,000 to $8,000. As long as we get that full $5,314, it should put us at a good amount of money. Let's get the old truck fired up here. We're gonna get on with this one. We gotta remember we're not driving my truck, so we gotta be careful with how we treat this baby. So I would hate to mess it up. Let's watch our mirrors. We might clip the gate. We're straight out of truck training. You ain't driving for no Swift, man. We got higher values than that. No, I got no hate on Swift, but they're known for crashing. All right, let's see here. We're gonna be taking a right. Looks like we have it both ways. Looks good. Let's get going. Shift down a few gears. Ain't got that big Cat 15 in there. Almost hit the curb. Almost, but we didn't. We're doing okay. All right, let's get on down the road here. Whoa, we're swerving. Wasn't paying attention at all to the road. It's not a good thing. Oh, we got a green light. Let's try to keep it about 35 at the max. There we go. Oh, we're gonna be taking a right. Oh man, I'm going way too fast for this. Oh, we kind of hit the grass a little bit. It's all right. We're gonna get on the highway. Oh man, the traffic isn't gonna let me over yet. There we go. All right, we're gonna be getting up to speed. Hopefully, we can reach our designated speed of 55 in this truck. It ain't mine, so I don't know what engine it's running. Oh, whoa, we're swerving again. Man, I gotta start paying attention. Holy cow. Get us a ticket. We're gonna hit a car. Oh, we're speeding up. I keep it around 60. That's 5 miles over. It should be good. I would think. Heck, I don't know. Cruising at 58 miles per hour. Oh, there we go, swerving around again. Where are we going anyway? I forgot to. Where's F6? F6. We're going to Bakersfield. Nice. 4-hour little trip here. Not a bad little trip for our first actual load. But this is gonna be the start of a whole new series. Are we gonna get over? Gotta get over here. Trailer brake. Looks good. It's kind of hard to see. Just poke our nose out here. All right, we got it. Let's go. Watch that mirror. I don't want to hit these poor vehicles right here. Oh, we're good. Oh, I left the blinker on. Looking good on fuel. If we have to get fuel, it doesn't come out of our pocket, so that's fine with me. Alright, we're gonna be taking a right here. Hopefully we can... Oh, we got it. We're gonna be cutting in the dirt a little bit. It's alright. Can't be getting in the fast lane with this truck. That is for sure. We got 4 hours left on this little load. Nothing too bad. I think we're still rocking the coast-to-coast map. Pretty sure. There we are. We're up to speed now. Set the cruise at 59. And we're just gonna cruise it out here. No, man, okay. We're getting passed up, man. Oh, we're swerving again. Oh, I about ran that car off the road. Gotta pay attention to the road. Alright, well, this is gonna be a whole new series I'm starting, and we're gonna be pumping out American Truck Simulator videos for a while, I believe so. You know, just gotta stick to one game, and I decided on American Truck Simulator, so that's what we're going to be going with. No more mixing it up. Yeah, we're not going to be doing that anymore. I keep looking over at the other monitor. I keep swerving. Oh, but that was a cop too. Oh man, glad we didn't swerve to the left, man. He probably would have pulled me over. Yeah, I've been playing American Truck Simulator for, oh man, a long time. But I'm finally able to make videos on it. Got a whole new computer, and I am set to go, man. We're gonna start doing this. Man, this is the, when you play this game when you're tired, man, you're gonna pass out driving, I swear. Stay in our lane. I'm gonna try to avoid getting any tickets here. I don't want any tickets on my name. Like, keep a clean record. Oh, we're swerving again. Oh, he's seen it too. He backed off of it. Oh man, I feel bad for him now. Uh-oh. I might have to get in the left lane for the first time. Well, we'll see. They're sped back up now. If they get behind that slow truck up there, we may end up getting in the left lane for the first time this series. Yeah, we're looking really good rolling in. Are we rolling into a town? Oh, no. Oh, man. Let's see, we're rolling into Fresno. And then it'll be Fresno, Bakersfield, so... we may not get in the left lane, but I think we're fixing to exit off up here. Or we should, anyway. I'm not really sure how I should edit these videos either, man. I don't know how to make them interesting and make them worth watching. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we'll figure it out. I guess you guys you'll see. Tell me what you think in the comments, though. No, there's another cop. Oh, man. I think we done went through Fresno, did we not? No, we're not getting in. We're not going through Fresno. We're just passing by. Passing right by Fresno. Creeping up on these people again. We may end up passing them. Oh well, the slow truck exited off, so we're not going to be passing anybody, I don't think. Well, we got another slow truck up here. I don't know, I'm a slow truck as well. I ain't pushing this truck to its limits. It ain't mine. We'll see what we can do with it. See what happens. We speed up a little bit. Probably gonna get a ticket's what's gonna happen. Let's watch our mirror for... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, we're exiting here. I didn't even know. Yeah, right. Oh, we're rolling backwards. I don't see any cars. Man, we cut that one really close to the guardrail there. Holy cow. That was a close one. Oh, we almost whacked out the bush, man. That would have been horrible. Well, it took all that time to put that bush there, and we just took it out. But we didn't. We got lucky. We managed to miss the bush. Oh, we're coming downhill. Gotta get to speed real quick right here. Going into Bakersfield, I believe. We're about 29 minutes out from our destination, which isn't bad. Alright, we're set the cruise control. I guess it's at 57 now, but it's alright. Oh, we should slow her down. Maybe picking up some speed here. There, very good. Alright, we should be getting to our destination here really quick. It's just up here. Yep. Oh, we're gonna blow right by it, are we? Oh no, we're coming in a little hot. Oh man, we came into that one a little too fast, but this one as well. Alright. Yeah, this is where it gets fun. Stop in here, tell him, ask him where he wants the trailer. Oh man, he's gonna want it right there next to this red one. I'll put money on it. Oh no, this is the hard ones. For our first job, we get the hardest one to back up. All right, these are hard, man. You gotta get them. You gotta get them right here on the other side of these boxes. I forgot how to even do it. Let's see. Man, I forgot how I did it. I think I pulled into here. I done forgot how to do it. It's a hard one for sure. I'm experienced, but we all get those. We all have that one. Try to do this as realistic as possible here. See if we can... Man, I'm in a situation. I need to turn around. I forgot how I come up. I forget how I do this one. I had a certain way I always did it. I'd get it in there usually on the first try, but since I haven't delivered to a place like this, I don't quite remember. We are really stretching those air cables. Alright, we're gonna let's keep pulling forwards here. Back the trailer up. Is that the right? Yeah. Oh man, I forgot how I do this one, guys. I really did. Let's see. So I gotta get the trailer. Gotta come into this backwards, so let's try to pull a U-turn real quick. Oh, we're not gonna fit. Starting to look like a Swift driver out here. Oh, we're jackknifing. Oh man. Straight, be very careful right here. Man, guys, I forgot how to do these. Just get ourselves straightened out here. I gotta come into this backwards. I should have never taken a right. When I pulled through the gate, I should have pulled forwards and took a left. We got it right now. Oh yeah. We should have it. Should be able to start pulling forwards now. Alright, here we go. Repositioned ourselves. Now we just gotta come at it very, very backwards here. Whoa, we jumped something. What did we hit? Oh, man. Alright, let's do this, guys. Here we go. I think I turned it too early. Yep. Alright, we might have to use some exterior camera assistance here. Because this one's definitely a hard one if you've ever played ATS. It's one of your hardest ones. We should just barely... Oh man, yeah, we messed up. I just gotta get the trailer just barely... I gotta almost be hitting these cables right here. Little circle deals. I think they're cables. We should just barely miss them. I couldn't even imagine doing this one in first person, man. There's no way. Alright, let's pull forwards here. Get ourselves a different angle. There we go. Now we gotta pull forwards again. There we go. Once we get back there, we're going to have to pull forwards again. So once we get about right here, we got to pull forwards. We'll be doing a little bit of this. Just a little bit. Pull forward, straighten out our trailer. Start turning the other way, try to get that trailer as straight as possible. Alright, we gotta get this trailer as straight as we can. It's not gonna be easy. There we go. Alright, we should be able to get it from here. So now what we do, so we pull in here like this. Oh man, I messed up. We gotta take it, the trailer. I know it's to the left of me here, where we need to be. The thing is, we gotta back this thing all the way up, and then we line ourselves up with this thing, and we just pull forwards. Oh, we hit that thing. I'm glad we didn't take no damage. Right, you can see how we've kind of scooted over. See, we're not as close to the boxes. The trailer's not as close to the boxes as it was. Let's see. All right. Keep doing this until we get it right. Alright, let's pull forwards here. Scoot the trailer on over a little more. Let's repeat the process. Alright, there we go. Alright, we should get it. And one more try, we'll have it. Yeah, see, we can put it in there now, but I want it straighter, way straighter than that. And now all we gotta do is pull forwards. Back up. Now that is as straight as you can get that, guys. That is a good parking job right there. Alright, let's see. We got an excellent... Oh, we lost some money there. Oh, we got the extra 49 for the parking job, so... Alright. That's what I like to see. We had a level 1, though. Oh man, let's check out the emails. Probably gonna be from the bank. Yeah. I don't want to take any loans because then we gotta pay them off, and that just gets that gets messy. All right, let's see when we level up long distance 100%. We want long distance, but then again, let's see what the other ones. Yeah, no, we're gonna go with long distance. Make that money. Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap it up for episode 1. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, leave a thumbs up on the video. Comment down below if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out, guys.